Hi everyone, it's Luke from Tentworld Midland, and today we're taking a quick look at the Trangia multi-fuel bottles. So these handy bottles are made of a durable polythene material. They come in both a 500ml and 1000ml capacity. They have a reinforced collar for extra strength, a push button release mechanism, handy spout and lid lock. So to release the fuel from your bottle, simply unscrew the lid lock, aim the spout, release and tip. Reattach the lock and shake out any extra fuel, and that's ready to put into your bag for a no leak, no fuss solution. So these bottles are suitable for kerosene, alcohol and gasoline, come marked with safety information and instructions, and if you're like me and think skulls are pretty cool, they've also got you covered. So thanks again for watching guys. To see more of the Trangia range, head down to your local Tentworld store or to tentworld.com.au.